pitch of your voice, make an echo sound, or make your voice sound funny. Seriously, how cool is that? But also, to make an Abridged, you will need a microphone and Audacity to change the pitch of your voice. Again, as I said before. And basically, well, that's actually pretty much it. You also need clips. Like, I use iMovie. Well, actually, I don't use iMovie. Anyways, I guess I'll see you later. And by the way, I'm using this voice, well, technically just to show you what Audacity can do.